This video is about problems running NiceGUI on Jupyterlab. In order to replicate the problem, pay attention to the real recording time at the bottom right corner. This will give you a sense on how long it takes to perform certain tasks. Okay, let's begin. The first problem is auto reload. Here I restart the kernel and create a new Python file. I just run a simple script that contains an input field. Right-click and select to run the new terminal. %run the Python script. Here, it doesn't auto-detect the change you made to the Python script. I didn't know that until I rerun the script and saw the error message. You have to shut down all kernels, save your script, and rerun it again. Now it works. It also works for the first time. But when you add a new element and save, it doesn't update. And I was waiting for a really long time without notice. So I decided to shut down everything and rerun it again. But nothing happens. The worst is I can't properly shut down Jupyterlab. So if you know how to fix the problem, please let me know. Thank you very much.